Welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a ride on the Strasburg Railroad.
We're very happy to have you with us today to enjoy steam railroading here on the road to paradise. A word about our passenger equipment that you're riding in today. The cars you're riding in cost $250,000 each to restore to the present condition. The locomotives cost about $500,000. original appearance at a point in time, but in all cases, we try to make the equipment accurate to the period of 1910 to 1930. The stoves in these authentic cars are not just bolts, they work. Ride with us in March or November, and you'll see just how practical and comfortable they can be. We're very proud of the work we do and all that is accomplished here with no tax dollar subsidies. Our primary source of funding is from the ticket office that you purchase your ticket from today. The big white farm in the valley off to the right is typical of Lancaster County Amish farm. Neat and clean, but very clean. There's no carpets, no curtains, no electric lights, no radios, no cameras, no telephones, no automobiles. Answer back. So let's listen in while we blow our horns and see if the ghost whistle answers back.
They're going to blow the whistle. And it's not the ghost house.
Did someone say echo? I'm afraid not. We pay that ghost $27.50 a day just to do that for us. Speaking of ghosts, that Carpenter's graveyard coming up on the left side, it'll be up on top of the hill.
I hope it does.
Carpenter's next. It's the graveyard, the oldest in Lancaster County. In it is buried Marie Ferry, a French Huguenot who fled France in the early 1700s to escape religious prosecution. She and her followers eventually made their way to Pennsylvania and were finally given a grant by William Penn himself for 2 square miles right here in 1712. As we come along the tracks that were once the Pennsylvania Railroad's main line from New York to Chicago, the interchange track between the 2 railroads is used for transfer of freight cars. This location, lovely Junction of Paradise, has a lot of history, we know. It was the original route of the Philadelphia and 1861, a special train carrying Abraham and Mrs. Lincoln stopped here briefly, and he addressed the crowd of several thousand people as he journeyed to his new destiny of Washington, D.C. Little more than four eventful years later, another train would pass by in the opposite direction, bearing their slain president's body on its sad journey back to Illinois. Ladies and gentlemen, you might not believe it, but here we are. Let me be the first to welcome you to Paradise. Pennsylvania 1910 by the Canadian Locomotive Workshop. It weighs a staggering 130 tons and originally ran on a Grand Trunk Railroad. It carries 10 tons of coal and 6,700 gallons of water. Folks, if you look trackside, you'll see that engine. When you do, please wave hoop the horn for the engineer and firemen who are working tirelessly to provide you with the most excellent ride. If you don't, there's a very good chance that they'll leave us stranded here in Paradise. time only. The locomotive will pass by on the parking lot side of the train. Please do not attempt to cross the tracks until the locomotive has passed. Thank you again for traveling on the road to Paradise, and remember the next time you travel, take the train.
Well, that's going to do it from our visit here at Strasburg Railroad. Okay, if you like, subscribe, and share. As always, keep it safe, keep it fun, keep on riding. I'll see you next time.